In this video, I will be teaching how to create an account in Gemini Exchange, which is one of the leading exchanges to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you need to go to Gemini.com, and once you go there, click on register on the right hand side. You need to give your full name, email address, and a strong password in order to create this. Make sure that each password that you use to open an account is unique and you don't use it across different exchanges so that it cannot be hacked. Once you register, you will get an activation code to your email address, and you need to enter this activation code uh, to get in to the website. So check your email, whatever email that you're using for registration, and enter the activation code. Once you enter the activation code and you're inside the website, now you need to do a couple of items. First is you need to enable your two-factor authentication. You also need to add a bank account from where you can transfer money into the exchange, as well as you need to verify your identity. So these are the three steps which need to be done in order for you to set up your account with Gemini. Once you complete all these three steps, then you can transfer money from your bank to Gemini and uh, buy your first Bitcoin or Ethereum. So this is a step for enabling your two-factor authentication. You need to download the Authy app, which is used primarily for Gemini. Some of the other exchanges will be using different apps like GAuth for two-factor authentication. So go ahead and give all the information here. Once you have also downloaded the Authy app, in that you will get uh, authentication code which you need to provide here. So that is your the Gemini token that you would get. So as you can see in the Authy code, um, you get the Gemini token, you enter that, and your two-factor authentication is set up. The next process here is to add the bank, which is your local bank. You need to scroll down and check whichever bank that you do banking with, from where you can transfer the funds to the Gemini account. So you need to set up that. For example, if I go and look for Bank of America here, so Bank of America is one of the drop downs. You click that, hit continue, and then it will directly link it to your Bank of America account. So that linkage needs to be completed. So once you complete the Bank of whatever bank you bank with, make sure that you complete this process. Verify your identity. So you will need to actually go ahead and verify your identity in terms of uploading a driver license. And then once you do all this exercise, you should be able to complete the setting up of the Gemini account. Thanks, and do watch my next video on how to set up other exchanges.